How to view your booked trips on TripAdvisor. If you've made reservations or bookings through TripAdvisor, keeping track of your upcoming trips is essential. Here is how you can easily view your booked trips on the TripAdvisor website. Open your web browser and navigate to the TripAdvisor website on your computer or mobile device. Log into your TripAdvisor account using your credentials, your email, and password. Once logged in, locate the My Trips section on the TripAdvisor website. This section is typically accessible from the main menu or the toolbar. In the My Trips section, you should see a list of your upcoming and past trips booked through TripAdvisor. Each booking will be listed with details such as the reservation dates, hotel name, and booking status. Click on the booking you want to view to see more details, such as the reservation confirmation, the itinerary, and any additional information. Depending on the booking type and the options available, you may have the ability to manage your booking directly from the TripAdvisor website. By following these steps, you can easily view your booked trips on TripAdvisor and access important details about your upcoming travel plans. Keeping track of your reservations ensures a smooth and stress-free travel experience. Happy travels, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.